WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet in downtown Chipley, Florida is ready to get back to normal. And we're offering bargains galore and the lowest prices of the season to get you back in the store. With 60% off clearance items and 50% off everything else in the store, Thursday, March 25th through Monday, March 29th, 2021. Spring has sprung, and it's time to freshen your home with bright, clean, and colorful patterns. From sheets and pillowcases to shams, comforters, towels, blankets, and throws, we're making it easy and affordable to give your home a bright new look. New products arrive every day, and if you haven't shopped WestPoint Home lately, you haven't shopped WestPoint Home. Enjoy great name brands like Southern Tide, Izod, Velux, Martex, and more. All at the lowest prices of the season at WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlets, 60% off clearance sale and 50% off everything else in the store. Thursday, March 25th through Monday, March 29th, 2021. On Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120, we're now open 7 days a week. It's WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet.